Hello everyone, welcome back to another Musescore tutorial. I bet you were wondering when you would see another one of these. But we're back today and we're going to be talking about left-hand pizz. We had a comment in one of the videos asking about a tutorial about left-hand pizzicato. It's been a while since I've played my cello in the orchestra at high school. And so I had to go online and look up this notation. And when I look at this notation, I see that there are two different indications of left-hand pizzicato. It says here, a left-hand pizzicato is usually indicated by writing a small cross above the note, and a bar-talk pizzicato is often indicated by a circle with a small vertical line through the top of it above the note in question. First of all, this I'm going to change the instrument on this real quick. We'll go to View, we'll go to Mixer, and we'll change this to, I don't know, cello. Okay, so now it sounds like a string instrument. Yeah. We're going to come down here to the part that does not have any pedal. Much better. Okay, so, and I was just looking around, and I came over here, and I saw this tab, Articulations, and I saw that it had a More button, so I clicked on that, and lo and behold, look what I found. Snap Pizzicato above. That's what it's named, and right above it is the plus sign that it says is indicating the left-hand pizz. And so I saw those, and I was like, interesting. So I come over here. Let's do a couple that are normal, and we'll put this one here as more. Oop, wrong more. More and left-hand pizz. So now we're going to listen to it and see what happens to this note here. Okay, so it did not actually change it, right? So it didn't make this note pizzicato. Okay, so this is the correct notation, right, for a left-handed pizzicato. Pizzicato. But in order to make it actually sound that way in the music, we're going to have to just hit this. We're going to go over here to our text options. We're going to hit pizz. On the next note, we're going to hit arco. Then we can select them both and hit the key V. And that will turn them invisible. So now we can listen again. Boom. And we're just going to play a bunch of notes. Cool. And if you were wondering how I did that, I can make a video about that. Comment below. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to do the same thing we did before. Come here. We're going to try to just do this and see if that works. No, that did not work. We're going to try our method of putting in the pizz and the arco. Okay. So it will, like when you do this with the left-handed pizzicato, it makes a different sound, I guess you could say, than our normal pizzicato. But there's no... I mean, we could try the other. Let's see if we can. It does say it's different though. It says mute. Muted. Okay, so that does the same thing, but it's just a regular. Let's see if we delete this and this, what happens. Yeah. So these articulations here don't actually, I keep hitting the wrong button, don't actually change the sound in Musescore itself. But in real life, if you saw this notation on it, then you would definitely say, oh, okay, I'm going to do a left-handed pizz right there. If you've never seen these symbols before, that's okay. You know, I'm just showing you how to handle this kind of thing. If you do have to put this into Musescore, how to handle it. All right, that's my goal here. That's what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna put this back in because that's the symbol for left-hand pizz, the bar talk pizz, if you will. which is different than a left-handed pit. So what we can do, let's put this in there, because these are the two symbols, right? The little cross and the power button. And what we're going to do, we're going to try put pizzicato in on the next note, arco, pizzicato, arco, hold control and select them all, and then hit V to make them invisible. Now we go back in. Hey, this works. Okay. What was going on before is that it was actually a piano piece disguised as a cello piece. So we couldn't actually do it. But here, we can. Because it's a cello piece. Does that make sense? Like, it has to be a cello instrument. Or a string instrument. In order for a left-handed pizz to be in place. So I hope this answers any questions about the left-hand pizz. And how to put it into Musescore. It is kind of unconventional because these buttons currently don't change the music or like change the instrument sound down here, but these do, the pizzicato and arco. And so that's how we managed to get the sound of a pizzicato and the symbol of the left-handed pizz and the Bartok pizz. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you learned something from this. If you did, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to look out for new videos, and I'll see you next time.